What are you doing? Make a snow angel. Lay down and make a snow angel. What do you think of this snow, huh?
Snow angels. Phew.
Okay, get some more, okay?
What are you getting? Gonna get some more?
Yeah.
Jay, pull down his shirt. Pull up his pants for me, please. Thank you. Hey, buddy. Ka-chow! Ah! Are you making a snow angel?
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. And move your arms like this.
No.
Oh, look at you!
Your legs like this.
You made a snow angel!
Transfer snow angel.
Oh, look at that! What? Say hi, JJ.
Hi, Trenton.
Pull his pants up for me. His back is showing. His shirt keeps coming untucked.
Woo! Hey, Trent, let's try making a snowman.
Make a small one.
Okay, here's the body.
Okay.
Okay, so we gotta make a head.
There's supposed to be 3 pieces.
I'm making the body bigger. Okay, here's the middle.
No. You need to make a...
Let's go to mommy.
Okay, so we gotta make a head.
There you go! Look, it's a snowman! Ah! Did you give me...
Trent, look at your
Ah!
snowman. Ah! Ah! Whee! Whee! You got JJ! Whee! Throw it up to go. Boo! Boo! Well, that's fun. Trenton, look! Trenton! That backfired.
Where are you going? Where are you going, Trenton? No, 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 no. No. That's leaves. You can't go across leaves. Go! Run like the wind, bullseye! Oh, did you fall? Pull his shirt down, please.
You want to swing? With the snow? There's no ice back here.
All right, say bye, Trenton. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
All right, we gotta fix your pants. I love you, Trenton.